great.
Focus on that right up there. Hand up there. Just one. There you go.
Give me a smile. Wow. Hun,
Yeah.
when you thought of us having kids, did you ever think that the first one you'd ever be putting makeup on would
I know.
be your son?
I know. Yeah, just let me have the yellow spray.
Looks like a wrestler. Like that.